Good morning children. This video is a continuation of the previous video. Again you have to do this in the book itself. You don't have to copy it in the notebook. Now till question number 7 I have done in the previous video. Now question number 8 I'll be doing now. Why is a structure of a root hair considered suitable for absorbing water from the soil? This answer, question number 8, is given on page 5. Here, the speciality of root. This is the answer. Page 5, this is the answer for the question number 8. Now 9. Briefly explain how transpiration helps in the upward conduction of water in plants. Now the answer I am going to read. As a result of transpiration, a suction force is created in the xylem vessel. So the water from below enters into the roots, to the stem and then to the leaves by the capillary force due to the tendency of cohesion and adhesion. Now question number 10. How does temperature, light intensity and wind affect transpiration? Now this question is given, the answer for this question is given on page 7. Okay. Now here is the answer. It is given on page 7. This part, factors affecting the rate of transpiration. You are going to copy down this in the book. This setup, question number 11, you can see the setup shown alongside was kept in sunlight for an hour. It was observed that droplets of water appeared on the inside surface of the polythene bag. Name the process which is being demonstrated here. The process is transpiration. Why was the pot with its soil left uncovered by the polythene bag? The answer is here, so that water from the soil doesn't evaporate and enter into the polythene bag. The next part. Why was the pot left in sunlight? Sunlight causes the opening of stomata and so transpiration takes place. Next is, suppose if the pot in the experiment was placed inside a dark room instead of placing it in the sunlight for some time, what difference would be noticed? Transpiration is slow. Okay. Next is number 12. State whether the following statements are true or false. Write the false statement correctly. Water absorption mainly occurs through the root hair. True. Water enters the root hair by osmosis. It is also true. Water absorbed by the roots reaches the leaves and is used in producing food for the entire plant. It is true. A semi-permeable membrane allows larger molecules to pass through but prevents a smaller one. False. Transpiration is the loss of water from the roots of the plant. False. Transpiration cools the plant when it is hot outside. True. The next part, this one, question number 13, fill in the blanks with suitable terms given below. Transportation in plant is carried out by a conducting system. Number 1 is conducting system. The upward movement of sap that contains water and minerals is called ascent of sap. Transpiration is more when the wind is blowing fast. Most water gets evaporated from the plant from its leaves. Transpiration is reduced if the air is humid. So here you are going to copy down this in your notebook. In the book. Not in the notebook. In the book itself only you are going to write the answers. In the next video I am going to talk to you about these long answer questions which you have to copy in your notebook. But this till question number 13 it should be mentioned only in your book.